Former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has had his 3-year sentence for corruption suspended, but it is unclear if he will be freed from jail. The Islamabad High Court gave him bail until his appeal against unlawfully selling state gifts is heard. However, the court has also ordered the 70-year-old to be kept in custody until Wednesday in a separate case. Mr. Khan's lawyers say more than 100 charges have been brought against him since his removal from power last year. These include leaking state secrets and organizing violent protests. Various arrest warrants have been issued in relation to these charges. The former Prime Minister's lawyers are seeking a Supreme Court order to prevent him from being detained in any other case, but no date has been set to hear this petition. Mr. Khan's lawyers said the Supreme Court was waiting to hear Tuesday's outcome in the High Court before they set one.